Captain Virato, please.
सगळ्यांक देव बरी सांज दिव. पहिले सुवातेर सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक आमी ह्या पावसाक भिना. पावसाक भिले जाल्यार फुडली लढाई कोलाची आमची सारकी जावपाक ना. You have to be fearless. I'm very happy. MLA is there. I've never met him. Very good evening, Mr. Wilfred Disa. When Madam just said MLA विचारता permission घेऊ नका म्हणून, I kept quiet. I have been in the military. Today here you are the senior most in the military. If this thing happens, the senior most picks up the phone and kicks the authorities. I would have expected that from you. How dare you have stopped this meeting? Nonetheless, वो अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम जो लोक भायर सरला कित्याक आमकां कांय फायदो ना. वो आमच्या फ्युचर जनरेशनांक आमच्या वडिलांनी पुर्वजांनी वो गोंय शहर आमकां सांबाळून दवरलेलें शेकड्याचे शेकडे. आणि आयज it is a moral responsibility, it is a duty to save Goa, preserve Goa for the next generation. ही गोष्ट हुई स्टार्ट जाल्ली, हे डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गोवा 2014 कॉमेस जाल्ली. जो पळय मन की बात और माकडाची बात और whatever he says, he's a feku. I'll tell you, I don't believe in that man, because Sunday after Sunday he comes and gives us some promises. But what is there for Goa? What is there for Goa? In 2014, who financed his election campaign? Saglan Khobara. It was Adani. In my presentation, I was supposed to show you all the photographs. On the aircraft, it is written Adani, where Modi is getting into the aircraft and Adani is there down. The lensmen have captured the photographs. So it is a payback time. At what cost? At people's cost. And after that, Hindustan Times has brought that Adani is a constant companion of Modi. Modi hui gela thoi Adani घेऊन गेला. And I wanted to show you all the photographs that Adani shaking hands with the Prime Minister of Australia, where the deal was signed. And then Australian government said, we want a guarantee. Whether you can buy, do you have the finances? And that is the time Adani approached the chairman of the State Bank of India, Mrs. Bhattacharya, if I am not mistaken. And at that time, imagine, Jenna Adani was sitting with the chairman of the State Bank of India. Can you believe the Prime Minister of India was there? आम्ही लोन हाडपाक गेल्यार लोन काडपाक गेल्यार बँकान. Does anybody come with us? But a Prime Minister was there. What was it? A psychological pressure on the chairman of SBI. And the chairperson told Adani, आमकडे पैसे ना, but I can give a guarantee that we stand by you. This was in 2014, after Modi was in power. And later on, Jenna Modi Adani घेऊन गेला Australia. By that time, Adani managed to get a loan of $1 billion. I'm going on record, $1 billion from the BRICS Bank in Shanghai. And that is how Australian government said, yes, we are ready to sell. ही माइन तुका विकता कित्याक तुझ्याकडे पैसा लोन मेवतलो तुका. आणि जेन्ना ऑस्ट्रेलियाचो लोक भायर आयलो, प्रोटेस्ट करपाक लागलो की आमी अलाव करचे ना आमचे मायनिंग हांगा कोल येवपाक दिवचे ना. It will be destruction of the coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef म्हणटा पळय ते. तेन्ना ते बँकांनी जो लोन प्लेज केल्लो, they cancelled the loans. अडानीन कितें केलें, गेलो मोदीशी पात्रांव कुछ करो आमकां मातसो हेल्प कर बँकान लोन कॅन्सल केलो वॉट डीड मोदी डू तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा उगडास करा तो दीस 8 तारखेर नोव्हेंबर 2016 8 वरांचेर आयलो आनी म्हणपाक लागलो फेक करन्सी ब्लॅक मनी डिमॉनिटायझेशन उगडास आहा तुमकां आमी सगळे लायनीक रावल्ले खूबशे आमचे जाणटे लोक आख्खे इंडियेक मेले लायनीन आमी कितें केले पयशे बँकान घाले एंड देर आफ्टर द स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया हैदराबाद branch approved a loan of $1 billion. This was that black money म्हणटालो पळय स्विस बँकान ते हाडटा म्हणटालो पळय that is why I call it FECU. And why that demonetization? It is linked to Goa. Today the destruction of Goa is happening कित्याक ते पयशे मेवले आनी ते पयशांनी कोल मायन घेतले क्वीन्सलँड. Everything is on record. आयज तुमकां दाखोवपाचो हा लो पावसाक लागून नो प्रॉब्लेम. We will make a video film of this and show it to you all. Because these are not allegations, these are facts. आणि मागीर कितें जालें? The government of India said, and I want the MLA to know because you can take it up with the government. The government of India said that we have carried out a study आणि by 2030 हे 2016 सांगला 2015 सांगला सॉरी 2015 की आमकां 136 million tons by 2030. What Mr. Olencio said 141, I'll slightly correct, it is 136 million tons by 2030. आता वो कोल येतलो हुंयचो इंडियेक कोल ना. There are coal mines in India. West Bengal, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, you name it, Bihar. Soglak in billions of tons, not millions, billions of tons coal are reserved. You all can Google and you all will find exactly how much of billions of tons. But Indiaच्या सरकारान कितें सांगले? Supreme Court had brought a order. We have a very varisht amcho advocate, he will agree that Supreme Court said only auctioning of mines. But the government of India did not challenge it. Why? They didn't challenge. ते म्हणपाक लागले आमचो अडानी हा ताका ऑलरेडी मायन मेवल्या हांगा लोकांक स्टार्ट करपाक मेवल्या जाल्यार अडानी लॉसान पडटलो एकलोच लेट इट बी अडानी एंड ओनली अडानी टू ब्रिंग द कोल एंड दॅट इज वाय अडानी इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग द कोल फ्रॉम क्वीन्सलँड टू गोवा. आता 136 million tons इज अ ह्यूज थिंग. वास्कोन घाल्यार पासून वास्को पुरोन वेतले तोरी पावचो जागो. सो कितें केलें जें आमच्या ऑलेन्स बाबान सांगलां सागरमाला 25th of November 2015 25th November 2015 Sagarmala project approved केलो by the cabinet of India under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister. Modi sat over it and approved that plan Sagarmala by saying Sagarmala is to connect Sagar Doryak Mala झेलो दोरयाचो न्ही वो आमकां फाशी घालपाचो झेलो सागरमाला. This is what they passed on the 25th of November 2015. पळया सी द डेट्स. त्या सायडीक मोदी ताका क्वीन्सलँडाक घेवन वता. मायन्स आर गिवन. स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया इज गिविंग अ प्लेज विदिन अ फ्यू मंथ्स डिमॉनिटायझेशन. पयशे एक्चुअली गिवन ही बायज द मायन. हे सगळें ह्या सायडीक हाडपाक हें शिजूल्लें तांचें बट जागो ना. तुमकां खबर आहा 2017 आय जस्ट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड आमचो लेट श्री पर्रीकार द ग्रेट चीफ मिनिस्टर सो कॉल्ड चीफ मिनिस्टर 2017 जुनान बायना फिशरमॅनाची घरां मोडली. तुमकां खबर आहा 121 हाऊसेस. तो लोक खंय गेले रिहॅबिलिटेट केले तुमी तांकां घरां बांदून दिली. तो ती जमीन खंय आहा आतां एमपीटी कडेन आहा. सगळें शिजूल्लें आनी कितें सांगलें पर्रीकारान द सी लेवल इज रायझींग. सो एक दीस ते व्हांवून वेतले म्हूण खंय व्हांवून गेले. सो जमीन पळय आतां आमचो बाब रेजिनाल्ड MLA ऑफ कुर्तोरी आयला ओके जस्ट सी so I'll just continue. If I forget, just remind me about an LAQ. So he zoom in, MPT ओडपाक लागली. It was not 1 and 2 lakh square meters. It was lakhs and lakhs of square meters. And we have got those figures under RTI. So त्या साइडीक MPT zoom in ओडटाली, त्या साइडीक दुसऱ्या साइडीक शिस्ताले. Now, तुमका खबर हा, MPT was always a profit making organization. खूपशे हजारांचे हजार गोंयकार थंय काम केलां, पेन्शन घेतलां, बरे भशेन आपणाची फामील भुरग्यांक वयर काडल्या तांणी. टिल 2014 very important 2014 पासून MPT was a profit making organization. And then the great Modi ji chai wala comes as the prime minister and MPT starts going in loss. आमच्याकडे RTI documents it starts going in loss suddenly. The same organization itle for decades it has been making profit. In 2014 it starts making loss. Why? 7,000 plus गोंयकार हारले MPTन काम कोत्ताले. तांकां इले इले करून VRS दिवन काडले and today only 1600 उरल्या. आणि त्या 1600 मध्ये कितले गोंयकार उरले ते तुमकां शॉक जातले. There are very few Goans in that 1600. Why were they removing? एका साइडीक म्हणटा आमच्याकडे वर्कर्स ना, so there is no production, so we are going in loss. हे लोकांक काडटा, production goes down and then they are saying loss. कित्याक सांगले ताणी आमकां लॉसान हा म्हणून? बिकॉज they wanted to show MPT is in loss. आता कशें तरी MPT साल्वार करपा जाय. बाबा आमच्यो बर्थ्स अडानीक दिल्यो, अडानीक तर बर्थ दिल्यो ऑन लीज, जाल्यार आमकां पयशे येतले. One berth was given to Jindal. Am I right, Olencio? Okay? आमचे पळय लोकांक कशे काडले ताणी कामाचे. फ्रॉम 7,000 प्लस they brought it down to 1,600. मुद्दम लॉसान घाले so that they are dependent on Adani and Jindal. आता तुमकां खबर हा, आता MPT कशे आपका चॉपक्यान हाडले पळय ते. कमिंग बॅक टू जोमीन, हांवें मातशें हें केल्लें ते kept it in abeyance because I came to know Mr. Reginald is coming. Why? I please want you all to give a very big hand to Mr. Reginald. There is a reason for that, very important reason. Because taka khabar ha or na khabar ha, I don't know. But he picked up the LAQ which was given by somebody. And that LAQ was filed last year in the assembly. And थंय सगळे सांपडले. Where MPTन कशी जमीन ओडल्या पळय ती. जमीन सगळी ओडल्या, लाखांचे लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर. Am I right, Mr. Reginald? Yes. Yes. आणि one week back, when the revenue minister, Mrs. Jennifer Monserrat, she told the press, आमचो धीरज बाब खंय हा पळय, he asked her, I saw his name. He asked her that, you know, ही जमीन ओडल्या. Don't you think whose जमीन? आणि तिकडे सांगले this belongs to the state government. ही जमीन पळय MPTन ओडल्या belongs to the state government. And the revenue secretary also said this belongs to the state government. The captain of ports, Mr. James Braganza, said it belongs to the state government. But MPT chair Muni's eyes, they don't care for our government and our elected representatives. They take orders from Adani. They said let the minister say whatever. It's on record, correct? He said state government ak maruni bobo yi zomin amchi. Imagine. And he has approached the state government for survey number allot korpa. आतून दाखवता की he knows it doesn't belong to him. But जबरदस्ती ओढलेली हा. So जमीन कशी ओढलेली हा, कित्याक जमीन ओडटाले ते? They've reclaimed the land from दोरया माती घालून. To get the coal इतलो येतलो 136 million tons हुंय दवरपाचो. Now I'm connecting it to Sagarmala जो आमच्या ऑलेन्स बाबान सांगला. What does Sagarmala mean? तो गोंयान घालपाचो, हे saying connecting the rivers, the 6 rivers. On 25th of November, this 25 number, आमच्या एका पवित्र पुस्तकान हा, 7 number is Oslo. हातून 25 number नोव्हेंबराचे श्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर 25th November 2016. I can tell you, internal sources have told he was there in office at 11 o'clock to clear the file. And he said the bill has been examined and agreed upon. Sign मारली. It is not even one line, half line. आमच्यो 100 नवयो काढून दिल्यो सेंटराक. IWAI, Inland Water Authority of India, which is based at Noida. And हे 100 नवयो दिल्यो आमच्यो. शापोरा, साल, म्हापसा, जुवारी, मांडोवी, कुमारजुआ, हे 100 नवयो. आणि जेन्ना आमी वो रेज केलो इशू वो कोलाक लागून म्हूण बिकॉज वी न्यू वी हॅड स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग की 136 मिलियन टन तर जाय जाल्यार ट्रेनीन वचोंक जायना इवन इफ यू मेक डबल ट्रॅकिंग कित्याक देर वॉज एन एजन्सी कॉल्ड ECOM AECOM ECOM तांणी मास्टर प्लॅन केलो NPT तर 136 मिलियन टन येवपाचो आहा आनी आमकां एक कंपनीक दिवंक जाय जाल्यार वन इज डबल ट्रॅकिंग ताणें प्रपोज केल्लें आनी दीस गव्हर्मेंट एक्सेप्टेड एन ताणी सांगले एट द मोस्ट by 2030 MPT will be able to handle only 51 million ton per annum 51 million ton so बाकीचो सुमार 85 million tons कशे हँडल करतले आता तुमकां गमले ह्यो 100 नवयो कित्याक गेल्यो त्यो आनी आमच्या सरकारान सांगला इन्क्लुडिंग द कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स की इट इज फॉर टुरिजम इट इज फॉर फेरी आल्दोनासान ह्या सायडीक बानस्तारीसान ह्या सायडीक येवपाक आनी आमकां आतां एक डॉक्युमेंट that document you will not see the names of our rivers. National highway तुम्ही जाणो National highway 14 National highway 17 National highway 478 हे असले नंबर दिता and today they have given numbers to our 6 rivers. तुम्ही तर IWAN सांगशात की आमच्या जुवारी रिव्हराचे किती झाला तुम्ही म्हणता जुवारी किधर है क्या है नंबर बताओ मॅडम आणि तुमका सांगता आमका एक आता हालीच डॉक्युमेंट मेवला in that document it is clearly written the rivers by which coal will be transported and थंय आमकां दोन नंबर मेवलो National River 68 and National River 111 I am going on record please check it National River 68 and 111 111 is Zuari and 68 is Mandovi काढली नावान आमची जे पूर्वजांनी नावां दिल्ली पळय शेकड्याच्या शेकडे ही नावां काढले नंबर दिल्यात ते पळय चोर पळय कैदी असतात न्ही नंबर दिस इज वॉट दे हॅव डन सो दिस 2 rivers विल बी यूज्ड आता आमकां आनी एक RTI डॉक्युमेंट मेवल्ली आहा दिस इज द लेटर सायन्ड बाय द अंडर सेक्रेटरी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिटर्न टू the captain of ports and now gala kind attention Mr. James Braganza and in that he has written on again it is 18 September 2017 and थंय तो सांगता यो 9 जेटी बेगीन बांदात म्हणटा आयज तुम्ही पेपरार वाचला फोंडेचो लोक उठलो 2017 जेन्ना आमकां हे गोमोल्ले आमी त्या लोकांक सांगुल्ले हांगा कोल येवपाचो आहा म्हूण MLA of मडकय बाब सुदीन धवलीकर that time he was PWD minister ताणें कितें सांगलें वो कोलाक न्ही म्हूण हे आमी रॅम्प बांदताव मँग्रोव कातरलेले रॅम्प बांदताव गणेश चतुर्थीच्या टायमार विसर्जन करपाक म्हणजे पुजोवपाक ओके काल श्री सुदीन धवलीकर फॉर्च्युनेटली हॅज कम ऑन बोर्ड एंड सेड वो कोलाक लागून आनी आपूण एलाव करपाक ना better late than never what we have been saying for last 2-3 years the PWD ex-PWD has finally accepted okay it is on record जेटी हुंय येता पळय त्यो सो तुमकां न्हंयोच्यो खबरो जाली डबल ट्रॅकिंगाची खबर जाली उरल्या कितें तरी पूण हो कोल पास जावपाक ना नॅशनल हायवे आनी सागर मालाक कितें कनेक्शन आहा एब्सोल्युटली नो कनेक्शन आमी डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे उलयता आनी आमी न्हंयांचे उलयता बट हाव कम नॅशनल हायवे कम्स इन बिटवीन ऑन 2nd November 2014 2nd November 2014 the government of Goa the National Highway Authority of India and the Mormugaon Port Trust signed a tripartite agreement. They signed a tripartite agreement on 2nd November 2014 saying गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा सेड आमी तुमकां फुल सपोर्ट दिता वो कंप्लीट करपाक. वाय? टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट कोल. आतां तुमकां गमले? एनीथिंग एल्स यू वॉन्ट टू नो? We will show you where the tripartite agreement is there. That's why I said these are not allegations, these are facts. Now, I want to tell about our, another bill which has been introduced in Parliament on 12th of March 2020, just before pandemic, lockdown जावच्या पयलीं. And that bill is known as Major Ports Authority Bill. हे bill 2016 इंट्रोड्यूस जाल्लें एज मेजर पोर्ट्स बील. ते लॅप्स जालें 2019 जेन्ना पार्लमेंटरी टर्म काबार जालो. इट हॅज बीन रिइंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन 12th March 2020 बाय द मिनिस्टर ऑफ शिपिंग मिस्टर मनसुख मनवदिया, and it has been renamed as Major Ports Authority Bill 2020. हातूनय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या MLA ऑफ कोर्तोली श्री रेजिनाल्ड बाब. I've never met him in person, but I'm just seeing him. That he was instrumental, probably knowingly or unknowingly, he got some documents which was of help to us. And in that, we come to know that the Major Ports Authority Bill, and I also want to specially thank Mr. Sam, the Sarpanch of Majorda, because एक महिना पयलीं हांव ताजेशी आयलो. हांव ताका वळखना, तो म्हाका वळखना, but he allowed me to come and I explained to him that Major Ports Authority Bill he introduced जाल्लें हा parliamentan. And this, there are 4 sections. In that 4 sections, section 22A, 22B, 23 and 25 and 26. What does the section says? That जे power दिल्ले हा to the local bodies म्हणजे पंचायत, municipality and the planning bodies म्हणजे TCP and also the state government, they will have no powers and jurisdiction over the MPT once the bill is passed. And ये bill parliament and pass चल रहा. I don't know if the MLA is aware of this, and you can still make noise. We have written the letter to the Minister of Shipping, to both the MPs. I'll tell you very frankly that when we sent the letter, number was there, Mr. Francisco Sardina called me up and he said, letter केल्या, because in that we said please move an amendment or scrap the bill. You have to fight for Goa, because in that letter we have said when the bill was introduced as a draft bill on 12th March 2020, Shashi Tharoor, तुमका खबर हा, Shashi Tharoor आणि एक MP सौगता रे म्हणून from Tamil Manila Congress TMC आणि दोघांनी फाईट केली on the floor of the parliament की हे bill introduce करून दिनाका, send it to the drafting table, send it back. Let it be studied. You are taking away the powers of the panchayats, municipalities and the state government. There is no federalism left. हांव नको आमचो सार्दीन बाब हुंय हल्लो तेन्ना पळय. If Shashi Tharoor and Saugata Ray, on record it has gone that they fought to stop the bill. And then Mr. Sardin asked, अरे बाबा हे कितें letter केलें तुमी? हे सदांच हाडलें. I said, sorry Mr. Sardin, it was never there. हे introduce करता, हाडलें जाल्यार bill कित्याक introduce करपाचें? He has promised he will fight and we are watching. All of us, Goinkar, Dow, Dhoran Rauya, because we cannot expect anything from MP of North Goa. Because if you all remember, ताणे फाटेफाट सांगुल्लें कितें? आपणाक अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक PM कडेन 6 म्हयने लागता. खबर आहा तुमकां? He had told, as a minister, 6 म्हयने लागता ताका अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक PM कडेन. So, ऑलेन्स बाबान बेल वाजयली. So I'll cut short. तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, बट तुमकां ही खबर दिवंक जाय आसली. these are all facts, how they are trying to destroy Goa for the profit of just crony capitalists. जाणी 2014 एका मनशाक पयशे दिवन पदेलीर बसयल्लो आनी आयज तर आमी फुडें सरना, मेल्यार पासून उपकात्ता, नाजाल्यार फ्युचर जनरेशन विल नेवर फॉरगिव अस. देव बरें करूं.